All right. Yes, Shane Murray live on Fortifying Stand with Obed. Na yabomodin ya mama no pa update awia kakra na ewo ho ye sign e de bremo. Ena numere so ya sense nkunya ye de nsem no e de ebremo ba don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Timase e ye numere nti ekono boko aha. Well, Asante Kotoko gusu ye training. Ye report kakra se fata e de bremo from the training. Enye enope well Asante Kotoko. It's a replica Jesus ni bedru. Na obi o monitor channel we maka kire mo say na enye replica Jesus ni pe na eba. There were other intade a meant for the Asante Kotoko team na ese eba. But the first batch no had to do with warm up. Intade na Kotoko be shy warm up. Ene Jesus a Kotoko de bebo ball. Goalkeepers players they on bebo ball. Tiene ne di kan ba first. But obi a no monitor channel we bi an me catch you say time a replica Jesse ni beba no. E beba with Asante Kotoko team no entade. Tibons Asante Kotoko team no entade shem ebe sesa after say replica Jesse no. Aba. And I'm confirming it to you say anytime Asante Kotoko be post to another training video no. It is expected say entade shem Asante Kotoko team no. Edebe training no ebe sesa. Coach Ogum, most stadiums are now already be also he said no so best ama bibia kuye because ababe duru ama ombenya ni nyina de adi omudwumadi for a club efe ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko no reporter meminsa aka also my catch say upo obi a ono so board the whole brand in penny for chi na meka ho but I had an extensive convo with one of the leaders one of the big men when it comes to the whole brand. And was explaining a lot of issues to me. Because from the angle I know explaining, he shared top infos with me. And a bit me about but the bottom line was that there was a bit of delay between the contract extension and a delay in Yoma Bebre. So now that a 2-year deal between Asante Kotoko and the whole brand, the kind of assurance I mean behind the scenes was that one, with now a 2-year deal on it, they can plan ahead. You see, on March day 7 on, and so about 5, no one has stand it. March day 7, and Sana replica JC Saber. But from what I've been told, it is not likely to happen next season. Say March day 7 and Sana Beba. Because now they have the authority to start working for next season from today. The next season, more accounts of designs and samples on be are presented as Asante Kotoko club and pending for early. Now they will get the approval early, and then they will order a production early. Earlier. This time around, they be express fee. What I'm picking that there was an express fee which was needed to be paid for Kotoko to get the jerseys or the started. Now that they have a 2-year deal, next year, Enquire Express, there be samples, normally designs and the aba. Kotoko will select, no sample yes quality no, of the design selected. Now the Kenyan to me, atwaso ewo. Enti try and get your replica jersey. They be ameka obisi me shebi. Now but be a fine. Obi asemo can say I give the best relationship advice, but I'm single. Yes, is the go. I have to do a shoot before I start doing certain things. So we come to that later. Nobody na emre. My emre pa. Well, Coach Ogum akasa. Na Coach Ogum kasa. Onim se upo bi onya abotre etie. Asan tie interview ni biem. Na osan tie biem. Ansana oba be chirima kyerɛ ameka ho. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and questions. And I got media ebisa Coach Ogum. First question ya dia ma bɛka wa ha. where I explained the kind of training Nana Asante Kotoko. I saw a comment under the post that Nobika said that was key information. But if I explain say Kotoko Ache Park no, and a players no more send you running more. Yes, yourself I've exposed Kotoko as in tactically what they are doing. And then the coach in Ankasa Bichrim. So the first question on Bisano was, and the time off the field, what have they been doing? Because Kotkonya 1 week break. What have they been doing with that 1 week break? And a coach Ogum said, yes, it might sound to others that that 1 week break can affect the fitness of Asante Kotoko, but that is not so. They designed a program, a training program, and the players no, to work on their match fitness, their stamina, their physical capacity, so that they can survive in high tempo and high intensity matches or intense matches. And that is why they even play the friendly game to keep their match fitness intact. The coach Ogum say, now what you know and almost tenase and almost planning who kwan on befaso. Na training mmeranteɛ na ma ɔma ho keka ne ɔma ho ɔden ɛwɔ agoprama no so akɔ. We've all been complaining that Kotoko, mostly after the 60th minute, we see signs of fatigue. Emu talk also cried to just say, where Asante Kotoko team now pre-season, they didn't spend much time in the gym doing physical stuff because now the enemy said pre-season just start here. Omako tenefia bana, tutu mi kama omoye meransana akeke ball but that was not how Kotoko started. Because the Kotoko pre-season the break na nye bebre. Democracy Cup no and China mobile back ekobo mediema any adia. So they are doing that in the middle of the season, and the coach is now telling us that for high tempo, for stamina, for physical capacity, last week, this week, any coach Ogum training report kakra de man. To one say man can't throw. The next question had to do with Kotoko being difficult for that other opponent to score goals against. Then the coach Ogum say, also this season Kotoko conceded 2 goals. And what you put 3 clean sheets. And Kotoko is even yet to concede more than 1 goal in a league. 1 goal per match, and Kotoko conceded. And they are yet to concede more than 1 goal in a game. Or say, my players are very good. And they coordinate very well and cover each other. They play it simple. They are hard, they are tough, they are aggressive. They win the ball, maintain the structure at the back, and pass it from the back. And then it's a coach Ogum de Tuda. Or say the Mrantian or more than a wetched home. A babu gaba or Timi Bobby. A benny a dear or many a ding. Nemum or my any or multiple on the free one, sir. The ono coach Ogum actually training ground which is keeping the structure and sa pepe no more. Momon tom fa ho. And na omon pro mon chebon who baby they keep it simple. And because you and cry for because football is about getting the simple things right. It's not about juggling the ball, it's about pa, and all. And that is what omon one edge on here. And they coordinate with each other. Maybe then or see they cover for each other. So I blow a mistake I believe a cover. Say Patrick Essien mistake na abla cover. Say Lord Amo a mistake na Blair cover. Say Blair mistake na Lord Amo cover. Say Samba na Ebo na Samba so cover. Until they keep it very simple. And that is good for Asante Kotoko. Messi beside 7 questions. Mama or 2. Mama call other news so. My baby to us. Well, every other minute 2 man himself. Asante Kotoko players mienu a omoko piemo US or Mamba. In a smart Abdul Hamid, Mohamed Al-Hassan, and Jacob, Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman. Oh, Mamba no. na yebisa ekohwehwe mu sɛ if indeed FN betumi ama Kotoko special dispensation na Asante Kotoko use that to their benefit where they would be given the chance to sign 2 players to replace Omo Omakoi. Yekohwehwe mu. Me ka kyerɛ mo awia no sɛ ma akɔhwehwe mu because me di ho nkɔmmɔ and I wanted the right response. Deɛ me nsa kaeɛ nie, there is no rule that can grant Asante Kotoko that special dispensation to sign any player at the time you close to transfer. And I went on to ask, so where a peculiar case, a different case, omu players na omu tu kwan omu baby. Then the response I had was, and yet says Kotoko, what ebe to say, the players are not available. The right termination here say players signed whom are not available. Therefore, you have a chance to replace them. Good. And Shani say one. It cannot be done because that will be the total term I the Bema issue. Now, when you say players are not available, in Kotoko's case, you explaining some moment to come. But Obisubet Mianya a serious injury. Now a rule out for the entire season, which means that he is not available. But yeah, massa club ne chance. So we play the entire season, and we play from now to January and to the entire season. Yeah, more chance to sign Obi Ishim when the transfer window has been closed. Yeah, more a chance. We play 10 pra. That is why you have the chance to register 30 senior team players. Now the youth team players are coming. So that cannot be done. 2, if Obi turn the player and now loan the player after the transfer window, after so I register now if you are alone no country close transfer window but Ghana close here you cannot come to the FA and tell them so my transfer me players me answer e dey country close transfer window ntino mama me chance to sign players to replace them because and also you say and also be termed as registered players who are not available. Just like what Kodiania, a smart Abdul Karim registered but not available because of Metukwan. In Tisenia Yema, all these situations will be a pra, Yema a chance of Abishim, will be a transfer any player, and now will be player Kwakudins and Seme or court. Wakwakudins and Munibini a Chena Tuma, Yato transfer window near two. But for players, Oma bon national team of pain. Our Metukwan. Our mobile back to the league in the they can give them that chance for them to sign even when the transfer window is closed. So special dispensation, yeah, the map players are falling under that bracket because if any year say I almost person yes idea now man on the phone ba I simple among ometimi abebo local league nti bi obi wa approach no when issue kakra bia ometimi abebo local league na for the attractiveness of the league to remain competitive. Send a club no betimi aton and a later betimi akọ bọ ne bọ wa abrochire but ene be boa ma the value bi abehim tie ho e na window no. You heard it from Sir Obed Kohwehwe mu brel Kotoko cannot register players as at what I was told until January. I will betimi assign bi ahyem for a smart and Abdul Karim of the Rama. Mamento amidwumedie no so. Well, the third question Ebisa Coach Ogum had to do with Samate's team, no? They are also undefeated like Asante Kotoko. Now, Coach Ogum Chiremua, I said they are a very good side. A more excellent tactical arrangement structure. And they have a star in their structure. The structure they are saying is sure. To be a 4-4-2, 4-3-3, that is the structure. But Samate's forward style or more with their structure. It's just structure nekeke. Omo obo bi omo san ba efe omo the infrastructure. And eno mo hu according to Coach Ogum. So I say Kotoko will need to go extra before they can beat Samates. Kotoko should be composed. Ne brofo. They should be confident and they should have the belief that they can beat the champions of the league. And here they coach Ogum kind. Another question was asked about individual players for Samates. Coach Ogum said a player like Isaac Afro, Alko Piemu Ewo, the Black Stars. He admires him so much because a player is strong and he attack with purpose. Yeah, so Obo Benkum left back no. So Oko Nanim a wonim dienti a Oko Nanim and possess a lot of threats. Again, Samates team nanya experience from Africa and omunye a bunch of individual players according to Coach Ogum team omunye individual players but they also play as a team. And to Coach Ogum achire kwan obe stop wo say you have to pressure them and gain control over the middle. Nti ese Kotoko jim finfin ni boso. Na omo pia Samates fo no call omo pom. Send near Samates for no ehihye ball no omo build there. A bad thing for them to use the middle. So either they will go wide or they will play the ball back. Any Coach Ogum the strategy or say or they kwa akobo e Samates. Nyame ya aduma kwesiada. Eno ya ono asem kind. Now, I'm beside Coach Ogum about Dauda Saka form, Fernando Bassi form, and Awuchi a form. What's the deal? Sa players miensa we nyina Kotoko starting season no mo nka ho sa. Osi ene de se Saka ejana so. Na obaye no omo che ne tena asese aha no aba na expectation no wosoro. Manfo ani di wachi se oba be kanche. Aye de obi nye bi da. Nti eso hu se ubenya abotre na on top pressure enton so. Na ne na abrante na ti a afi ball na ni nim so nim bon order na di. De toso mienu onu coach na ne de se ye kobo the sixth match. The sixth match of Asante Kotoko. Ne mrante no afi no mo man starting term na start catch up omu jana so. Also, Fernando, new environment, he needed to adjust and adapt. But gradually, boy, and step up our new coach in Asoneni. And a question on Awuchi. Also, Awuchi, a top player. But I just say Coach Ogum, players back up Thomas and Awuchi count. Also, or your top player. Player, ball, Tunisia, or experience and maturity. Mama can't say me or Hamamfa news being fra. Okay, sana Kotoko pe John entry for experience ewe anymore. Obi a we tu kwan we hu ni nyina pen wa bo Ghana League we tu kwan or matured ewe anymore. Omenya John entry no Awuchi ka ho ntia. Because Saka Dauda, he was the captain of Bofo. But we about just one Premier League season, full season. We in the second season. Peter Ako about just one Premier League season. Yakob Okoye now on board Ghana League. Albert Amoa. This is when you one full year in the Ghana League. It's not Kotoko maturity. But the brand coach Ogum nya Awuchi no. Oni abranti ene daily no. Di onim ne dada no. Unsa Awuchi ye mature to maintain a pressure and stress. The no person John Enchibe as a senior player now or control calm on your down. Coach Ogum believes Awuchi betimi ayes adie. To say a top player now the heart Awuchi injury. Kotoko started preseason no cry. Nti Awuchi nya full preseason. Name or catchro bi ase. Ebra brantie no started say a ton no. Ono ankasa Awuchi no ede ne edin eye ne individual training in term. Emma no recover ya no na abo ama na timi abeka the main team ho a they say ye hu se all pick form anija no aso dendenden a se na metai ka no abamu se dudo je se aye tum a wono a ya wie bi a hye ho bi abadwonso apie ene ye abasobodi akochugu e de ball eye Awuchi na otoa so edi nkomo e de fa Samates no si o. Apart from attributes wa kenyina no ogidi say ombe hard pa Asante Kotoko, they will be physical. Jomo Kotoko so no, ebe physical ewo omo so. Kotoko third home match etwa so na omo bebo yi. Back to back to back. Nsuatre Accra Lions. Na nsuatre ne outstanding. Na omo boy na omo Accra Lions. And after yebo Samates, there 3 home matches near Boatwas. Ogum say league no person oje e fie. Ti Samates beba. Statistics yi mu Samates in share Kotoko fie da. 2 times ni omne Kotoko abo e wa win no ma lose. 2-1 defeat. And abaako ye 1-0. Ogum say obeto aso. Asan de nkuguo na san pi omo so. A wo metiko e de akosama boys. San de nkunimdie e be Asante Kotoko. Wo ansara Coach Ogum be kono nim say de bia obekasa afa mranti a epra ho. Ya ka kire say Samba a recover ye train. Ena masa ka kire say Brant FN baba ya eso a recover o ye train. Wo Coach Ogum a confirm say sa mranti mienu nyina e nokre. Na emo baby ha adwe ni nyina na ye abranti a ye frɛ no eye Samuel Tinedu. Coach Ogum say Samuel Tinedu enya complete fitness. Tiemiye. Samuel Tinedu enya complete fitness. Enti Baba Yaya and Samba are ready to play the game. Omo are ready say ball no. Omo ye fit so betimi abo. Na emom ebeye den pa say Samuel Tinedu ne ho nya nto no. Onyanya match fitness so obetimi asi akan ede ama Asante Kotoko a eno eye nsem a ewo ho a jede ema enti se bibi bebom na se wa hu eye Samuel Tinedu e wo kwasi ada game na enye se Ogum na boapa enti no wapia abrante na si nkyɛn a ompese abrante ne bebom na emom de wo mu nyina na yese abrante no ne ho ento ne nsiipi nti onya abotre ama nipa na recover na o recover fully a na de aka mu nyina atinya ato aso e de ama Samuel Tinedu ewo nhyehyɛ a ewo Asante Kotoko wo bread ya ma brepa nti kasa ne nyetinti Sudan fo nkomo no mechiechire mu anopa na onso ofa ba bia na ekura mechiechire mu me bibia ko ye Kotoko will stop paying their salary after they've informed their club. Ramas chanopa na the akemu let me the abremo our channel. Bye bye. Mon fan channel. Bye bye.